Welcome to Tiny Keyhole Minis. Thank you all so much for subscribing, for your support, for making this all possible, and good luck to everybody that enters. I hope you all enjoy these giveaways. Today is day 2 of my 5-day 5K giveaway. So if you've missed day 1, just click on the playlist in the description box below, along with the link to the form. And don't forget to listen for your 2 passwords because you're going to need those. Okay, tiny friends, today is day 2. Today's giveaway is going to be paint supplies. Now, I have included my favorite duo combo of paints. This is Antique Wax by Waverly, and you get some Folk Art Cinnamon. I love using this as a base coat underneath the Antique Wax. If you've never used Antique Wax before, or you haven't seen me use it before, it is a non-toxic, water-based, waxy kind of acrylic paint. And it is a great alternative for wood stain. I love using it for wood stain. And this undercoat just gives it that amazing golden tone. Practice with this if you haven't used it, or check out some videos on tips for this. You can apply water to your brush and add a little water to this as well. You can apply a light amount and layer it. You can apply a generous amount and wipe off the excess. You can add different undercoats to it or none at all. So just play around with it. You can add color to it. You can add a little bit of black to it to darken it up. Maybe a little bit of white to lighten it up. It dries pretty quickly, and it washes off your fingers just like regular acrylic paint. So it's a really great product. Have fun with it. I hope you enjoy it. I love it. It's a game changer. A lot of crafters are using it. I've been using it for many, many years, and I crossed it over into my minis. I first learned about this product by the DIY Dollar Tree crafters, and that's what I used to do before I went full-time into my miniatures. And then I just crossed it over into my miniatures. And now I've seen several miniature creators using it as well. So it's a great product to have. And these two together are just a duo team. So you'll get this. Okay, tiny friends, your first password for day 2's giveaway is pencil. Very simple, very elementary, pencil. So make sure you listen for your second password, because you're going to need both of them in order for your entry to qualify for the giveaway. You will also get a liquid chrome, and this is a high gloss liquid chrome silver paint marker. When I first received my very first one of these, I demonstrated it, and it works so well. I absolutely love it. This came from Temu. When you first go to use this, make sure you shake it really well. Your tip is going to be white. You're going to have to press it down. Just push the marker down on the tip and wait for the paint to flow down to the tip. It may take 2 to 3 minutes, but it does happen, and you're good to go. I like to release some of the paint on maybe a wax paper or a scrap piece of paper, and then use a toothpick or a paintbrush to get into the smaller details. But this stuff is amazing. And it's like an enamel paint, so it sticks to everything. It sticks to metals. It sticks to everything. You're going to love this. You're also going to get a set of detail paint brushes. When you open it, it's towards the bottom. I purchased these off of Temu, and this is the second set I purchased. Sorry, that might be super loud. They're all individually wrapped. Okay. And I purchased the first set of these for my son because he likes to paint. He's an artist. And what's so great about these is the ergonomic handle. It just fits so comfortably in your fingers. And you'll get a variety of different sizes for the detail tips. So you'll get this set. I thought this is a wonderful set. He seemed to love it, and I definitely wanted to include it in the giveaway. So your open end will be on the bottom because it took me a while to figure that out. You'll also get a pack of these precision tip cotton swabs. I love using these to wipe off excess glue, to wipe off excess paint, or to get into the areas. So you'll get a nice pack of these as well. I also purchased these off of Temu, and I purchased these in a very large quantity. So I got several of these little bags, and I really wanted to make sure to add these into the giveaway. And then you'll get a set of finger stampers that fit on your finger. I love using these. I got these off of Temu as well, but you can also find them at a Dollar Tree with the sticks if you have a Dollar Tree. I really love using these with the chrome markers because I like to make my pieces look like they're metal if they're not, and it really leaves a nice texture behind. So I'll just dry dab it and then dab it on my piece, and it just gives it that nice texture. I love using these. I thought these would be really nice to have, and I just like how they fit on your little finger. So you'll get 6 of these, and that is today's giveaway, this little painting kit. I hope you enjoy it. I use these items on the regular, except for the paintbrushes. I don't have those yet, but they are on my list. Okay, tiny friends, your second password for today's giveaway is going to be cake. And that is because I love to eat cake. But what's funny is when I was a kid, I did not like cake at all. And every time I had a birthday, my mom would make me a birthday pie. So make sure to include both passwords on your entry form in order for it to qualify for the giveaway. Some of the main reasons why I chose to do a lot of the supplies that I use for the 5K giveaway is because I'm hoping that some of you that have never tried some of these supplies before may get that opportunity to do so, or if some of you are wanting to try some of these supplies and don't have access to them, hopefully that may help if you're in that situation and you win one of these supply giveaways. Or maybe there's something you've never seen and is completely new to you. I've seen several comments asking where I get my supplies from, or can I share the link, or I really would like to try that, or I want to get some of that. So I hope this helps, and if it's something that you've never tried before or didn't even know about, maybe you'll end up liking it. I like to say good luck to everyone that enters, and thank you so much for watching. As always, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for your support. Until next time, tiny friends, I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of my 5K 5-day giveaway.